Co-op is all about pushing the boundaries. We're finding that in areas of HR previously, where we wouldn't have had technology, such as goals performance of EBS, our reach is greater, but our delivery is quicker as well. We can adopt much more digital ways of working in the cloud. So we've dropped to monthly releases. We're able to adopt new features in the quarterly updates quicker to market. We do 18,000 transfers a year. So that's a huge amount of time where we should be serving our customers. Using the new UX, we were able to reduce this to 10 minutes, end-to-end process, and there's about 8 clicks. That's all the user now has to do. Learn was a huge win. We went from 12 learning platforms down to 1. We took a lot of our training online, and I can only tell you how much that's helped in recent events, being able to have that online offering. Payrolls run incredibly quicker in the cloud, and what we're tending to find is, we can run, we can roll back, we can rerun. These were never options afforded to us in EBS at the time. I think it's fair to say we exceeded expectations with what we could deliver out of the box.